In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Xero. This process is essential for integrating documents such as invoices, receipts, or any other pertinent files directly into your accounting records for seamless financial management. The first thing you need to do is log into the Xero accounting software. You'll want to navigate to the main website and locate the login button. Once there, enter your email and password. After verifying your credentials, proceed to click on Login again. This will bring up your personalized dashboard, the central hub where you'll manage all your accounting tasks. Once you're on the dashboard, look for your company name. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down. From this list, select Files. This tab is where you'll manage and upload files related to your business transactions and accounting tasks. Next, inside the Files section, you will see an option to upload file. Clicking this will prompt you to choose files from your device. It's a good idea to organize the files on your local system beforehand so that they're easy to find during this step. Once you're ready, select the files you wish to upload. Now, if you'd like to save these files into a specific folder for better organization, you'll want to click on Move To. Here, you can either choose an existing folder or create a new one, depending on how you decide to structure your file library. Once the files are stored in the chosen folder, you can open or select them at any time. With the files uploaded and organized, we can now add them to any new item or invoice. Simply select the file from its saved folder and click Add to New. This lets you attach the file to various accounting elements, ensuring that all necessary documents are conveniently accessible and sorted. Once the files are added, fill in the customer details in your invoice or document. Navigate to the Files option once more to choose Add from File Library. From here, select the relevant files from your saved folders, add them to your current document by clicking Add One File, and include them with the online invoice, ensuring all digital communications are complete with necessary attachments. At this stage, you may want to add an item to the invoice and review all the attached files before finalizing. When everything checks out, click on Approve and Email. This step is crucial for sending the invoice out directly through Xero. During this process, you have the option to attach files to the invoice email to ensure the recipient has all relevant information. The final step is to click Send once everything is confirmed to your satisfaction, and there you have it, a complete guide to attaching files in Xero, enhancing your accounting tasks' efficiency and organization.